In this tutorial today, we shall be learning how to rank data in Microsoft Excel. We are going to use this Excel worksheet containing the sales information of our sales personnel as example. So we are going to be using Rank.Eq in this tutorial. I put my cursor here, put equal sign, I type rank and I select Rank.Eq. We have open brackets. I click on the cells of the first person, and that is Andrew Elias. I put a comma. Now we have to type the range. We want a cell to give us the score. I put my cursor here, click on it to highlight the entire column D. You can actually select the range that contains data. I click enter. This has provided the rank for Andrew Elias. To get for the rest of the salespersons, I put my cursor in the cell that contains the function we want to replicate. Then I double click to get for the sales personnel. Now, if I want to use the ascending or descending order, I come up here, put a comma. Excel will now show me that I'm in descending order. If I want to use ascending order, put 1. 1 represents ascending. I click enter. Put my cursor here, double click. We can now see the ascending order. I undo to get to the descending order. Now, let's put the same data in a table and calculate the ranking. So this is a table that contains the same information as the other one. I click on the first cell that I want to get the results, put equal sign, type in Rank.Eq, put in open brackets, click on the cell that I want to get the information, put a comma. A cell is requesting for the range. I put my cursor here, tap to get the range, the entire column D. I close the bracket and click enter. If you notice, Excel did not just calculate for Andrew Elias, but rather it calculated for all the salesperson that appear within this table. The reason this happened is because the data is in a table. You might have noticed that some positions are missing, like we don't have 5th position and we don't have 17th position. This happened because some salespersons have the same score. Like this one, we have 4th position here at the top and 4th position in number 14. So we don't have any 5th position. Excel has recognized it to have covered the 5th position. Then we have 16th position in number 5 and 16th position in number 13. So Excel did not provide for the 17th position anymore. So this means that when you have ties in number ranking, some positions will be missing. So I hope you have gotten some value in this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a great day.